Hi, I'm Daniel with Sport Aircraft Seats. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to install our upholstery kit on Zenith 750 and 701 models. This installation is a two-step process. First, we will glue the webbings onto the frame and then install the cushions. Before we get started, let's talk about this backrest frame. Our seat upholstery kits come with a backrest frame that will replace the one that you got with your Zenith kit. In an effort to make these seats as comfortable as possible, we've redesigned the frame to better accommodate our upholstery design. The new design moves the crossbar lower, which will help provide support for your lower back and lumbar. Other upholstery options would either require some kind of stiffener inside the cushion to compensate for the lack of support, or the cushion would end so high that you would have no lower back support. The stiffener would also make the seat heavier, so lowering the bar solves these issues while still saving weight. Our seat frame also tapers toward the top. This provides extra clearance between the seat frame and the doorpost. And lastly, our frame doesn't swoop forward at the top like the original factory seat. I think the intent of this forward angling of the backrest is to support your neck, but it limits the height range of the pilots that will be comfortable. In conclusion, we've redesigned the backrest frame and we include it with the upholstery kit. If you want to save a little money and you're really good at welding, you can select the option to build your own frame, and we will deduct the cost of the frame from your order and send you the engineered drawings. Okay, let's install your upholstery. You will need the following items: our seat kit, which includes upholstered cushions, backrest frame, webbings, and Velcro. Additionally, you'll need glue. Please use HH66, a disposable paintbrush, and some masking tape. Step 1, install the webbings. Okay, let's get started on gluing the webbings. First, you'll want to identify where the webbings will go. You will notice that there are markings on your webbing. Lay the frame across the webbing and align the marks with the inside of the frame. Once aligned, you can use masking tape to mark where the webbings will end. This tape will serve as a guide to show you where to apply the glue. Gluing and setting. Please use the recommended HH66 glue. In addition to the instructions in this video, you'll want to follow the instructions on the can. You can order the glue through the link posted on our website installation page or in the video description on YouTube. Using the brush, coat the frame and webbing in the areas where they will come in contact with each other. Also coat about a ½ inch inside the lines where the webbing will contact itself. Take special care to paint right up to the edge and make sure there are no holidays. Next, spread the glue on the frame. Coat the areas that will contact the webbing. Make sure to paint all the way around the tubing. Let the glue dry between 2 and 5 minutes until the glue is tacky. You can test the tackiness by touching the glued area on the webbing. If the glue transfers onto your finger, it's too wet. If it feels rubbery but does not transfer, it's ready to stick. Align the frame with the marks on the webbing. Once aligned, press the frame against the webbing. Once contact is made, they will not easily be repositioned, so make sure you have them positioned correctly the first time. Stick the webbing flaps around the frame. Once stuck, press the webbing into the frame to help bind the glue on the frame to the glue on the webbing. Apply pressure to all the glued areas. I would let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes before moving on to the next step. Step 2, installing the cushions. Install the backrest cushion by sliding it over the frame with the webbing facing forward. Close the Velcro flap. Next, make sure the surface of your seat pan is clean. You can clean the surface with acetone or rubbing alcohol. Place the sticky Velcro onto the sewn-on Velcro strips that are on the bottom of the base cushion. Remove the protective plastic and place the cushion exactly where you want it to sit on your seat pan and press down tightly. This places the Velcro. Carefully remove the cushion without unsticking the Velcro from the seat pan. Press down on the Velcro to seat the adhesive onto the pan. Install the base cushion into the seat pan and install the backrest frame onto the backrest pan. I want to thank you for watching this tutorial and purchasing your Zenith upholstery from us. Feel free to call us with any questions you may have. And if you still are considering upholstery for your build, please go to sportaircraftseats.com, click on Design and Order, and design your Zenith seats today. Thank you.